so you can download your YouTube channel videos very easily. In this video, I am going to explain the complete method. First, you need to open YouTube. After that, you need to come to YouTube Studio by clicking here. After coming to the content section, all the videos will appear in front of you. Here, I currently have one video, so to download it, click on this option, and after clicking on download from here, this video will automatically start downloading. And here you can see that this video has been downloaded. Similarly, if you want to download more than one video, you should select multiple videos. Right now, I have only one video. If you have more videos here, you need to select multiple videos, then go to More Action and download from there. This way, you can download more than one video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe to the channel.